Today we're exploring the Bugatti Centodieci, a supercar masterpiece unveiled in 2019 to celebrate Bugatti's 110th anniversary. Under its sleek exterior, the Centodieci boasts the Chiron's powerful framework. It features a carbon fiber monocoque and subframe supporting Bugatti's iconic 8-liter W16 engine. This powerhouse delivers 1577 brake horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, with a top speed of 235 miles per hour. The Centodieci's design is a bold departure from Bugatti's usual curves, drawing inspiration from the blockier EB110. Its wraparound windscreen, streamlined headlights, and compact horseshoe grille create a distinctive look. The 5 air intakes behind the rear quarter windows pay homage to the EB110 Supersport. This particular Centodieci, delivered in 2022, is EU supplied with only one previous owner and just over 5,000 kilometers. It features an EB110 Argent exterior and black and Italian red leather interior, with the original EB110 logo on its side. Owning a Centodieci is about more than speed. It's a piece of automotive history. This masterpiece showcases Bugatti's engineering prowess and design philosophy. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to acquire such an exclusive supercar.